Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox or unwrap this one, the package. My wife want to unwrap this for you guys to check it out. This is the Lancome Paris. I'm not sure what's inside here. Total units in box is 4 of them in here. Hopefully there's no invoice, so let's check it out. Oh my god. Get a scissor, this is hard to open. Oh, there's an invoice in here. Here are the description. Then that's the price, $39.95, $3.50 for the tax, no shipping fee, $43.45. So I guess these two are free gifts, I think. And this is the bottle that's cost $39.95. So this one's an advanced cream foam cleaner. This one is the Visionaire Nuit. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in your comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Like always, peace.